In this video, I'm gonna show how to send and receive audio files in Telegram. This time I'm gonna use ChatGPT, as it's quite easy to set up and it has built-in functions. In previous videos I have showed how to connect this Telegram bot, so I'm gonna continue using it. So it's gonna look something like this. Can you please tell me what is capital of France? And now I have an answer.
Paris.
I asked AI to be short, so that's why it's so short. Anyways, this can be used as for fun, but also later to become a personal assistant. So let's build this same module from the beginning. First things what you're gonna need is same watch updates Telegram module. Like in the previous scenarios, here you have to have your webhook and then click save. Second module that you're gonna need is Telegram bot, download a file. This is very similar that I did in sending images, but what you're gonna need this time is message attachment ID. It is over here, so I'm gonna click on it and click save. Next, what I'm gonna add is ChatGPT. Here, I'm gonna need create a transcription module. I have to click on it. Here you can see it took file name and data from previous download a file module. For a module, I'm gonna use this Whisper one. For response format, I'm gonna keep JSON file, and for a prompt, I'm gonna leave empty. If you click on advanced settings, then you can see here is language, and to enter any language, it has to be in this code. So now if I click on it, then you can see table of all those languages and their codes. Here are the codes. And as you can see, English is gonna be EN. So as this video I'm doing in English, then I'm gonna write here English. If you leave it empty, it's gonna guess what language you are talking, and usually it guesses right, but sometimes it messes up. And now if I go back to Telegram and record audio over here, for example about weather, and send it here in Telegram, then nothing is gonna happen because right now I don't have an answer. But if I run it once, I'm gonna use existing data that I just did in Telegram, then you can see output is gonna be what weather is today. And now if I take this text and input to another module, which is gonna be create a completion module, here I'm gonna take a developer or system and write to AI write me an answer as personal assistant and output me only short answer because I don't want to receive paragraphs about something. I want quick answers from AI. And second message is gonna be assistant. And here I'm gonna use text from previous AI module. Now I'm gonna click save and add a new OpenAI ChatGPT module, but this time it is going to be generate an audio module. For input, I'm gonna use results from previous text module, from this one. For module, I'm gonna use this first TTS1. And so now if I go to advanced settings, then you can choose what voice you're gonna use. I'm gonna use Nova. It is least annoying for me. I'm also gonna delete this output file name because I don't want to see outputted file name. For a response format, I'm gonna use Opus format, or also good is wave format. I usually use Opus, and speed I'm gonna leave the same. So I'm gonna click save, and now I'm gonna add last module in Telegram bot, which is gonna be send an audio file. Here I'm gonna need chat ID. This you can easily take from first module. For caption, I'm not gonna enter anything, but you can basically enter also here whatever you want, but I'm gonna leave it empty. For file, I'm gonna choose OpenAI. As you can see, it uses file name and audio, and everything else I'm gonna leave same. So now I click save and delete all data, activate this scenario, click save, and now if I go here to Telegram, what is biggest country in the world? Enter this audio, then pretty soon I will receive an answer.
Russia.
As you can see, it outputted here me with this name. And if you don't want to have this ugly file name over here, then you have to go to this generate an audio module and instead write here some other text. Click Save the module. How far is Moon from Earth? And if you add anything over here, then you can see it's gonna delete this ugly file name and then output you clean audio file without ugly stuff. So this is how you build your make.com scenario where you can send and receive audio in Telegram bot. In the next videos, I'm gonna show how to save your personal or important information that you want for your assistant. But for now, have a great day.